Hi friends, this is Ashutosh Jha, Director of the Migration Bureau, and we are back with a new video. In today's video, we'll be talking about the business visa to Poland. So without any further ado, let's get started. Polish business visa is a type of a Polish Schengen visa. Do not confuse this business visa for the work visa. The business visa will allow you to visit Poland and other European countries, but will not give you the right to work or study in Poland or other European or Schengen countries. Polish business visa is explicitly designed for those who want to plan a business visit to the country with the aim of establishing business contacts, negotiating with the foreign partners, developing a cooperation with the Polish companies, and also for attending business conferences. The minimum duration of a Polish business visa is 5 to 10 days. If you have a new clean passport, then you could be granted a visa for 10 days or 30 days. The maximum duration of a Polish business visa is 90 days. It could be issued as a single, double, or a multiple entry visa. For the frequent travelers, such as the businessmen who have previously traveled to the Schengen zone, it could be issued as a multiple entry visa. Now let's talk about the advantages of the business invitation. The advantages of the business invitation are free travel between the 26 Schengen countries, simplified submission procedure, fast processing, possible extension. To apply for a business visa to Poland, the applicant must provide a business invitation from their Polish partners to prove the business purpose of the trip. The business invitation should mention establishing contacts with the partners, such as business meetings, negotiating, attending seminar, purchasing goods and services, or establishing a new business. Now the required documentation for the business visa invitation are passport scan copy, full permanent address, planned date of travel, and business detail such as name, address, and phone number. Now general required documents for a Polish visa application are download the Polish visa application form, fill it completely and with sincerity. You can also fill the Poland Schengen visa application form electronically and then print a hard copy. 2 photos must be attached. The photo should be a passport format, a recent whole face capture with a light background. Your passport and copies of your previous visa, valid for at least 3 months beyond return date, are required. Your passport must have at least 2 blank pages. Travel medical insurance, confirmation of minimum 30,000 euros coverage within Poland and the entire Schengen area. A cover letter stating the purpose of visit to Poland and itinerary. Flight air ticket reservation with dates and flight numbers specifying entry and exit from Poland. Hotel booking reservation for the whole duration of the intended stay in Poland. Proof of civil status, marriage certificate, birth certificate of children, death certificate of spouse, ration card if applicable. Means of subsistence, proof of sufficient financial means for the period of stay in Poland. Now, list of additional documents required for the business purpose are invitation letter from Polish company you will be visiting and their detailed address accompanied with the date of your visit. A certificate from your employer stating allowing your business travel. If there were previous trade relations between the 2 companies, proof of such event must be provided. Business bank statement for the latest 6 months. Memorandum and article of association in original certified copy, registered with joint stock companies, trade license first issued and present renewal, proprietorship, partnership documents. And regarding the applicant's expense during stay in the Schengen zone, either the employer or the partner company must state coverage of expenses on the letter or invitation. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video. I hope now you've got a better understanding of the documentation involved for a business visa on the basis of a business invitation to Poland. If you got value out of this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website, which is mentioned in the link below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha, Director of the Migration Bureau, signing off. Until next time.